There are many survey sites out there. There's Branded Survey, QMe. However, most of those survey sites pay peanuts. Just making $10 is a whole day affair. What if I told you there is a survey site that will pay you up to $100 a day? I kid you not. The name of the website, Prolific. You may have heard about it, you may not have heard about it, but you can make $100 a day just giving your opinion, answering surveys. Easy, 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 easy. That easy work. In this video, we're going to discuss step by step how to open a Prolific account no matter where you are in the world. Before you open a US account, especially if you live outside the United States, the UK, Australia, and the countries where Prolific is available, you need two things. You need an anti-detect browser. In this case, I'm using an anti-detect browser called Multi-Login, and you also need a proxy. In this case, I'm using a proxy called Node Maven. If you want to know how to set up the proxy, the anti-detect browser, then there's a link in the description. It takes you to a free mini course that will show you exactly step by step how to do it. There are also links to these different tools I've used in this video in the video description. By all means, feel free to use those links. Now, I've already set up my anti-detect browser and I've already set up my proxy. So what I'm going to do is launch it. It's already launched. Here we go. So first thing you do, just Google Prolific, click on prolific.com. As you can see from the website, Prolific has two types of jobs, AI labeling jobs, and your normal typical surveys are just saying, do you agree? Do you strongly agree? Do you strongly disagree? So what you're going to do is we want to get paid to participate. I click on start earning. What happens is you get redirected to a page where you first join the waiting list. Before I fill out this form, you can see it requires an email. As such, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a temporary email, but feel free to create a new Gmail account that you're going to use specifically to open this account. Doesn't matter if it's a Gmail. In my case, I'm just going to create an email using iCloud. iCloud have a feature where you can create just a temporary email to use specifically for a particular website. So in this case, here's my email. I'm going to first of all just create the email and copy the email. The email is created, so I'm just going to come here, paste the email, and my first and last name, you can use any name. I'm going to say, my name is Mary James. You can use your name, you can use any name. I'm going to open a United States account. Now, here is the thing. Most of the time, after applying, Prolific will put you on a waiting list. And from just rapid experimentation, whether you get put in a waiting list or not, almost exclusively depends on what you choose as your date of birth. As such, if you don't want to be placed on a waiting list, pick anywhere from 1970 all the way to 1950s as your age of birth. That way, you will go straight ahead to getting an account open rather than being put on a waiting list. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to pick our date of birth as May. The date we were born, it says something like 15th, and the year, I'm going to say 1970. What you're going to do, I'm going to click next. Country of birth, United States. Place of birth, I'm going to say Atlanta, Georgia. Then you're going to go to next. Can choose I'm white, and I'm going to say I'm a female. I'm going to go to next. I'm going to say I have a graduate degree. Which subject? I'm going to say math and statistics. I'm going to say yes for sure. First language, English. I'm also fluent in Spanish. Willing to work an average of 11 to 20 hours. Then there's no need. Here's our basic information now. Say it by my name, my date of birth. So the most important thing is this date of birth. Just put it in an age range where you won't be placed in the waiting list. Then the rest, it's okay. I'm okay. Then click on confirm the details. An email has been sent to my email. So I'm just going to go select to verify my email, copy it and come back here, paste it here, and let it just load. The email gets verified and it's written you're on a waiting list. Then when you come here, you realize there's an email telling you, hey, you're off the waiting list. That's when you go down again, copy this link, go back here, paste it here, and you're taken through an onboarding process. You need to create the account by verifying your phone and putting a password, doing an onboarding study, then finally verifying your ID. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how to pass each of this, whether you're in the US, whether you're not in the US, no worries. create an account. I'm just going to set my password. You can set anything you want. Let me just reset it. Click on set password. So there's just a security warning over here. No worries. Click on next. In this next step, you're required to input a US phone number in order to get the phone number verified. If you have a US phone number, well and good, just input your number, click next, and you'll get a verification code. But if you don't, then I've discussed exactly how to get a US phone number in a free course. Link is in the description below. Click on that free course and you'll go to a page that lists several tools that you can use to get a phone number to use for this verification step. If you either don't want to use your phone number or if you don't have access to a US phone number directly. In my case, I have a US phone number from one of the service providers that I use. Again, use the link to the free course. It's in the description below and you'll learn how I was able to get this US phone number. And I just clicked on send and the verification code was sent. There's 431 485. And just like that, the phone number is verified. Click I understand and continue. Then what you need to do is take an onboarding study. Easy peasy. I'm just going to take on the onboarding study. As you can see in this study, you're not supposed to use AI, which is perfectly okay. Let's just click on start and go through the study super quickly. Again, they're just simple things. These are exactly the sort of tasks you're going to complete when you get a Prolific account. Easy stuff. Mr. Smith will be here in a minute. All right, Kathy goes to the gym twice a week. Often goes to the gym. Please pick it so hot. That's why I tell you, when you have a Prolific account, it's literally, you can't believe it. It's such an easy way to make money. You'll be laughing at how hard you've been working just to make a few pennies. You don't cook meat. Is raw. What's the opposite of tiny? When writing this last section, no need to use AI. Just talk about any of these two superheroes and be creative. Then submit. And just like that, you've passed that particular step. Here you go. Now the final step. Final step is to basically verify your ID. In this case, the procedure is quite simple. You need a government issued ID. You take the front, the back, and also take a selfie. What you need to do is click I consent, then continue. You click on start the verification process. You have a bunch of terms to accept. You accept the terms. Click on get secure link. Scan this particular code with your phone and it will open the camera up in the phone. You can take the picture of the front of your ID, the back of your ID. If for some reason maybe don't have your ID or you're having trouble completing this particular step, then go to the description. First link in the description will take you to a free course. There we discuss all the options you have for completing this verification step. We'll also discuss how to link the right payment option so that you get paid $100 a day easily, just answering simple questions like the ones we saw there. Basically, when you're done with that verification step, you'll end up in a dashboard that looks something like this. So as you can see, most of these US accounts really have a lot of work. As you can see in this particular account, there are like 23 different studies ranging all the way from 1.75 euros all the way up to 3.5 euros. And this could be you earning this much. I'll just show you an average of how much you can make working half a day easily when you have other things doing at work. Here's a screenshot of one of the days. The plugin I'm using is called Daily Summation. It basically adds up all the total amount of work you've done for the day, how much have you earned. As you can see, in combined, and in this day I made $55.39 a day. Easily doing it as I do other things. So this is definitely a perfect side hustle to get started today. Again, shown you how to open it, rough idea. For each of the challenges that you're going to meet, just click the link in the description, go to the free course and it will show you how to set up your anti-detect browser, make it bulletproof, how to set up the proxy perfectly, how to get yourself a verification number and how to complete the verification just in case you're having challenges with them in any way possible. Again, Prolific is just a simple service site. If you're looking for something that can make you more money, maybe like $1,000 a month, something consistent that's almost like quote unquote a real job, then don't forget to go to our homepage. We have many videos reviewing all the different side hustle sites. There's definitely one for you. Even if Prolific is not for you, there's definitely a side hustle for you. don't be shy to try that one out. Some have verification, some don't. So it just depends on what you're comfortable with. Till next time, keep it locked, keep hustling.